Alright, what's up everybody? Today, on a Christmas Eve edition, we are unboxing the Ultimate Fan Edition of the Shawn Michaels Heartbreak and Triumph. Here we got that on the side. That's cool. And that, merchandise, and that. There's the top. You can tell it's older. It's from WWE, and it'll take you 9 hours to watch it. And it was from 2007 released. So let's check it out. Never been opened. One of the good Macari purchases I did right here, I tell you what. It's a Best Buy exclusive. I never remember seeing these in Best Buy, so either that or I did, and I just didn't have enough money or something. It might have been it. So let's get into it, huh? Oh, it opens that way. That is cool. So the first thing we have here is a Shawn Michaels DVD. We're going to unbox that too, right here. Cool. This is fancy. Okay. Oh yeah, here's the back of this. I'm going to put this right up here for right now. There's that. And that. Oh, cool. It's a little thingy coming out here. Let's see here. So here we go. And there. It's not too really entertaining on the side. This is what will take you 9 hours to watch. That whole set, like I said, came out in like '07. So here we go. There he is. There it is. Oh, I'm blocking it here. Here it is, Shawn Michaels. It's a 3-disc set, this is. So there's the DVDs. I don't know if there's anything behind it, but nope. So then we have this little thing. It'll tell you all about it. And here's all the matches and chapters. You can look at that if you want. There he is. I'm pretty sure I'd made that terrible where you guys can't see, so sorry. But, oh man, what the